In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for an email or attachment in Outlook. Whether you're looking for an important message from a colleague or you need to find an attachment that's buried deep in your inbox, these steps will guide you through the process smoothly. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is open Microsoft Outlook. This can be done on either your desktop application or through a web browser. If you're using a web browser, simply go to the Microsoft Outlook official website. Once there, take a look at the top right corner of the screen and you'll notice a sign in button. Click on it to proceed. Next, you'll need to log in using your email and password. It's crucial to remember your login credentials to access your emails, as this is the gateway to all your messages and attachments. If it's been a while since you last accessed your account, ensure your password is up to date and keep it secure by enabling two-factor authentication if possible. Once logged in, you'll see lots of features and panels, but don't be intimidated. Direct your focus to the top of the screen where the search bar is situated. This bar is your best friend when it comes to finding specific emails or attachments in Outlook. Click on it to activate the search function. Now you'll want to pinpoint what you're searching for, so type in the sender's name into the search bar. This is incredibly helpful when you remember who sent the email but can't recall other details. Typing the sender's name will filter out irrelevant emails, presenting you with a clear list of messages from that specific contact. After entering the sender's name, the next step is to click on the email you're looking for from the list that appears. This will open up the email, allowing you to review its contents or download any attached files. Being precise with the search terms will make this process even faster, so if you remember any keywords from the email subject or body, consider using those as well. By following these steps, you can effectively navigate through Outlook to find the emails and attachments you need. This tool is especially useful when managing a large volume of mail. If you frequently need to search for emails, consider organizing your inbox with folders and categories to minimize the need for repeated searches. Hopefully this video has made the process clearer and empowered you with the skills to manage your email efficiently. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more insightful tutorials like this one.